Hey guys, what's going on? It's Rekt Capital and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to today's episode about Litecoin and the phenomenal uptrend it's in at the moment and what it has to do to continue moving forward. It might very well be on the cusp of another breakout move. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future and let's dive right in. So in a previous video from a few weeks back, I first spoke about Litecoin and Litecoin was just below this orange resistance area at around $170, and we were seeing a bit of consolidation here at those highs, specifically rejecting from this orange resistance, getting bought back up aggressively on the dip, but nonetheless rejecting over time consistently. But nonetheless, you saw a higher low form here, a higher low support, that buy side interest forming a reaccumulation range at highs. So even though Litecoin was just below the resistance, it was rejecting into a higher low that was supporting the uptrend, effectively giving rise to a reaccumulation range at highs, which has since broken out fantastically well. And what I was expecting really was a breakout into this range, with the highs of 225 being the next resistance. This major red resistance would be that point of rejection. So I thought we'd break out from this reaccumulation range into the top of this range. So effectively from this ascending triangle, break out into this range, the range low being 170 and the range high being 225. We got that, we certainly got that, but we've also skipped an entire range. Rather than build a base, a home inside this range between 170 to 225, we've actually managed to weekly close above 225, and now we're in the process of successfully retesting this major resistance area as a new support zone. And a successful retest right over here would enable a rally, to the next resistance at 260 plus. In fact, these would be the high 260s, 268 for instance. And of course, overextension in the form of an upside wick beyond this resistance could take place, however volatile that wick would be. But those are overextensions that are actually volatile price action, outsized moves beyond this resistance. Nonetheless, this is the range to watch out for. And now Litecoin is trying to reaffirm itself inside a new range. So it's skipped through an entire range right over here, and now it's trying to build a home, a base at the very bottom of this 225 range low range support, doing so successfully, and we could see a swift ascent towards the high 260s. In any case, guys, that's about it for today's video update. I hope you enjoyed this outlook on Litecoin. Litecoin is on the cusp of a major breakout move. In fact, major trend continuation, because it's already enjoying a new uptrend. Now it's just about dipping and reaffirming this support as a base from which it could springboard straight into this blue resistance. Successful retest here, and we'll see further upside. In any case, thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this in the future, and of course like the video if you enjoyed this content and would like to see more market analysis like this going forward. I'm Rekt Capital, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Speak to you soon.